What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Milady Memecoin fam. I am back with another video for you guys. Ladies is up 20%. Ladies is pumping. What's happening? Pump it. Oh my gosh, guys. And that's why I say, man, crypto is so unpredictable. You never know what can happen in crypto, right? You never know what can happen in crypto. I said 10 billion ladies, that's a nice bag to have. You could potentially make some gains going into the bull cycle as long as my thesis plays out, right? But obviously it is a meme coin. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy talking about crypto projects on the internet. So don't, bet the bank on these projects, right? Because it is, like I said, it is a meme coin, but you never know how far it could go in the bull cycle. And you make some money, you make some gains. It may not be life changing, you may not be able to retire, but if you turn $300, $300 into $30,000 to $50,000, would you be happy for that? I would be. I'd be happy for that, right? I wouldn't be upset at that. So that's my mindset for that, guys. If you're new to the channel, you already been here, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We're gonna dive into ladies like we always do. It's up 20%, so I gotta make some videos, man. Right now, ladies that sitting at that 0.33 mark, up $24.4 million in market cap, right? And like I said, it was holding that 20 mil market cap level very well, right? It was sitting at that 20 mil market cap level very well. It dropped below it a bit, dropped to like 17 million market cap, and now it's looking like it's ready to break out again from here, up 20% on the day. You can see right here, right after this consolidation, it started to break out. Now we have some nice volume coming in at 3.8 million in market in volume, 24-hour volume. The community is very engaged, they're still super active, and ladies is pumping. It's making some moves, man. And you can see volume coming in from crypto.com as well. And just like what I've been saying in my previous videos, I really think what's gonna propel ladies, guys, is the buyers on crypto.com. Retail investors, like I said all the time, they love meme coins, right? They love buying meme coins. They don't really care about what a project does as far as its utility. Not a lot of average investors. They want to buy something that's fun, that could give some nice upside, and they don't have to it's not nothing like super where you overthink it, right? Also, a lot of people don't want to sign up to they don't want to sign up to obscure exchanges. They don't want to use VPNs. It's too much work to set up a VPN to go on an obscure exchange and use DeFi and stuff like that. A lot of people in this that's gonna come into the space, they're not gonna know they're not gonna know their heads from tails, right? They're not gonna know heads from tails. So when they get into crypto for the first time, they're gonna go with the simplest form of purchasing, getting into crypto, going on to a tier 1 exchange, exchange that is US user friendly, right? United States user friendly, and KYC, and then buying into crypto, right? See right here, just popped up on as I'm speaking. It's popping up, right? And this is why I say I think it's gonna be the crypto.com buyers. I really think it's gonna be a bunch of retail on crypto.com. I really think the majority of the volume is going to come from retail investors on crypto.com. Like I said, they don't want to go through all the headache of getting into meme coin projects, so they're going to do an easy, convenient way to buy into these projects. And crypto.com is going to be one of their avenues, right? Especially for a lot of new retail. And ladies is what, like I said, has great price discovery, never saw a bull market, and going into the bull cycle, as long as it stays on crypto.com and KuCoin, could have some great positive price action going into the bull market, right? It could really have that, right? So yeah, it's up 20% on the day. It's up 20% on the day. very bullish stuff. This is crypto.com's chart that we're looking at right here. And remember, 80 million users on crypto.com, ton of US users and around the world, but majority US users. So going into the bull cycle, that number may double from 80 million to 160 million users. And guess what? A lot of projects are gonna send on crypto.com. And meme coins, the thing that investors, retail investors love the most, which is meme coins, just like how they all love Shiba and Doge and Baby Doge, Floki, etc. They'll take a liking to ladies. And like I said, never saw a bull run. So when the bull run comes, it more than likely may explode more than the previous meme coins that were listed and already saw a bull cycle, right? So we're gonna keep an eye on that, man. We're gonna keep an eye on that. Remember the Elon tweet from Elon Musk, there is no meme I love you. And then we got the Milady Memecoin that just absolutely skyrocketed because of this Elon tweet, guys. The Elon tweet is in history. It goes down in history, similar to Baby Doge. The Baby Doge tweet that Elon tweeted is down in history, right? So the Milady tweet is down in history now, right? Tyranno Analytics witnessed the crypto market in action with the top 10 gainers of the day. These projects are soaring to new heights, delivering impressive price surges and excitement. And then we have ladies right up here at number 4, surging to new heights with its volume increasing $4.85 million in volume in the past 24 hours. The volume for ladies has always been pretty good as well. So I don't think a delisting will happen because it's always generating good volume. The community of the project, man, I don't know where you guys are. I don't know where you guys are engaging at. But you guys are there. You guys are definitely there. And you know, I can see it on the coin market cap replies. Look right here what we got from Bybit. Weekly top 5 gainers and losers. Check out these tokens. Do you hold any of these? Top 3 gainers, ORT, ladies and moves. Look at that from Bybit. Bybit showing some love to ladies, guys. Look at this. Ladies up 32%. Awesome stuff, man. Up 32%, man. Top 5 gainers. And of course the top 5 losers. But Bybit showing some love to ladies. That is extremely bullish, man. Bybit basically doing some free promo for ladies. 2.6 million followers. From KH4. Ladies, we going without the help of Tesla. Pew pew. Oh man, the community is definitely there, man. Crypto Scalper V2. Ladies, you always make me cry. Which for once I believed in ladies. Pun. You see it's up 20%, man. Crazy, man. Very amazing. Get.io volume alerts. Volume increase for ladies up 6%. You know, the volume is coming in for ladies. It's absolutely great to see. I swear I had some more community posts here. From RW, ladies, I'm bullish on ladies. Got powerful thrust. From Crash Override, ladies, so glad I doubled my position a couple days ago. Let's go, ladies. See some engagement here. 5 thumbs up, 4 hearts. RVL, ladies, will it break up to 4 hearts, 3 thumbs up, then to 50, then 60, then 80. Could be, you know, could see a 0 being eaten here. And that $300, you know, that I told you guys could go to $1,000 pretty fast. You never know. And wild bear market, just wait and see what's gonna happen next year in the full bull run from Phoenix, man. So, ladies, fam, again, super active, super engaged community. At least in the CMC replies, I'm sure you guys are making a ton of noise on Twitter as well. Let's see. Let's take a look, man. I'm sure you guys are out there on Twitter. Ladies up big, millionaire maker, get you $1 billion or more 10. Jim Loftus, right? That's what I say, man. 10 billion ladies, never know. Alex Platonov, you see right here, it was on this downtrend. Now it's breaking out from that downtrend. For ladies, pretty nice, man. That's what I'm saying. Lucy ETH 2.0, ladies is up 20%. Could be the next Pepe. AHYX ladies. And right here. I told Mohammed, I told you it was a competition coin for Pepe and Ida. Musk said, let's go. Hashtag ladies. 20% up, man. Absolutely bullish. Absolutely awesome stuff for C for ladies. And we got all the spam comments. But yeah. Great stuff, man. You got Bybit as well. Bybit. Tyranno Analytics. 34k followers. Bybit showing, hey, these are the top 5 gainers this week. Take a look at them. Right? That's some free promo. Bybit is bullish on ladies. Look at that. You know? So yeah, we're gonna see what happens, man. Like, a little bit of exposure to it could make you some nice gains in the future. We'll see what happens as time unfolds going into the next bull cycle, right? Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, ladies, fam. Share with your friends and family. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate all the support. I just hit my mic. I apologize. Like I said, truly appreciate all the support. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.